So today we're going to continue looking at the idea of domain and range. So when we look at this one, the first question is, what are the x values? Well, we enter a year. So what is the domain of the graph? Well, it looks like it goes from 1960 to 2010. What are the y values? Well, those are our points scored. And what is the range? Well, what's our minimum? Maybe 11 to our maximum. Maybe that's 57 points. So if we take a look at this next one, world record times for mile ones. The inputs, again, we have our years. What is the domain? Well, it looks like we go from 1950 to 2000. And the y values are the times. And our lowest, let's make maybe 343 to 402. So what we're going to do today is we are going to talk about this domain and range. So we're going to choose a color. So I might have my domain be red. And my range be purple. We're going to talk about notation here. So domain is our x values. So if I look at the x values here, it goes from here to here. So what are those x values? 1, 2, 3, 4. So -4 to 2. So the way we write it is -4 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 2. And now we can go our range. So it goes from here to here. So this is at -2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our y value, we start with our lowest. So -2 is less than or equal to y is less than or equal to 4. So let's take a look at our next one. So our domain, the x values. So let's see. Oops, and I did that with the wrong color. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our x value goes from -6 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to +6. And then our range, so here's the bottom to the top. Well, this is at a height of 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 0 is less than or equal to y is less than or equal to 7. And we're going to continue to look on these. So it's a couple notation things that we're going to talk about. So we'll put here to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But you'll notice that open circle. Open circle means that it doesn't include it. So I'm going to go -7 is less than or equal to x. I'm just going to put less than 5. So it means it goes all the way close to 5, but doesn't include it. So we do our y's here to here. That's a height of 1, 1, 2, 3, -3. So lowest first is less than 1. And again, I'd leave out that equal sign. All right, so our next one here, well, it keeps on going. So x keeps on going, so it starts at 0. So I'm just going to say x has to be greater than 0 because it keeps getting bigger and bigger. I can't box it. Now when I think about that y value, the height is just right there. So our height is the same, so I'm going to say our height equals 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's try this circle one here. Circle, it goes here to here, so 1, 2, 3, -4. 1, 2, 3, +4, and there's no open circles. So -4 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to +4. And then do the height, 1, 2, 3, -4. 1, 2, 3, +4. So -4 is less than or equal to y is less than or equal to +4. So our domain, So it starts here and keeps on going. So I'm just going to say x is greater than or equal to 0. And now the y. So it keeps getting higher and higher. So there's no limit. I can't box it like here. It would go past these lines. So it keeps getting higher and higher. So I'm just going to say it's all real numbers. In these last two, so if I put a box here and here, 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 4 and 2. So negative 4 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 2. And then if I look at the height here, we got negative 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So negative 2 is less than or equal to y is less than or equal to positive 4. And then one last one. So our width, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. But you'll see they're open circles, so I'm just going to have those less than signs on both sides. And then our y values, so lowest to highest, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0 is less than or equal to y is less than